firepower that's as terrifying as it is impressive. This is the biggest military exercise in history.
It is. You have 29 nations with all common interests that if required. And by having that ability to respond, potential adversaries can say, you know what, there are consequences for actions, and today's not the day.
But tomorrow could be. And that's what drives Vice Admiral John Wade, who's running this huge operation.
The world, but especially the Indo-Pacific, it's dangerous in the world's natural resources, 80% of global trade, and that's why we have military, not only the United States, but our allies and partners here working together, all with common interests, to preserve the integrity of this nation.
This is one of the biggest warships in the world. You can't help but feel like a tiny drop in the middle of the Pacific Ocean. The runway isn't just short, it's also constantly moving. So the thought of taking off and landing here is as frightening as it is exhilarating.
It's kind of like you're dressed.
Meet Lieutenant Hunter Clinton. Call sign, Sugar Lips.
The call signs are a little bit sacred in the military, specifically the Navy itself. So I was raised in South. Politeness to me. So a lot of people thought I was very, very smooth when I talked to them, and I was talking my way.
Supercharged show. Are they practicing things like dogfighting?
They do. You know, they would practice dogfighting. They would practice going out and looking for other ships. Our helicopters are out there. They might be looking for submarines. Our P2s are airborne. They do command and control, so they are kind of directing the fight airborne.
But even more delicate than launching into the sky is when America's fiercest fighters come back.
The world just slows.